Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's Deb here. So today we're getting right into this. As you can see, I'm just setting my eyelids with some eyeshadow base. It's the P. Louise base in the shade 4. And I'm using one of the Norvina palettes by ABH. I use the red, orange, and pink shades out of that, and then 3 different shimmer shades as well. So I'm just gonna teach you guys how to make the perfect glitter cut crease, or one that might work for you, step by step. So as you can see, I'm just blending red, pink, and orange into my lid using Morphe brushes that will be listed down below, the numbers of them. As you work your way up to your lightest shade, you want to make sure your brush gets fluffier and fluffier as it goes. So when I say fluffy, I mean less dense. So when I packed on that deepest shade of red, I made sure that my brush was really dense. Now on to cutting the crease. I'm using the P. Louise base in the shade number 1 and my M224 brush. I got this from Morphe in stores. So when I cut my crease, to know exactly where I want to cut my crease, if I'm just doing a normal cut crease, no wing, none of that extra stuff, I usually will look up and it'll show exactly where I should cut my crease at. Then I just draw the line to connect exactly where that indentation was made. So when doing this, you'll see the difference of when this is just a normal cut crease, and then the ones that's a little bit bigger, I'm gonna do that on the other side. I may cut creases a little bigger because if you're gonna add your wing and everything, you don't want your cut crease to be too small, if that makes sense. So you actually want to see the glitter or shimmer, whatever you're gonna add to your lid, you want to see that. You don't want the wing to take everything up. So that's why I did 2 different examples on each side. So as you can see on this side, I did the same method, but I started at that same level as the other side, and then I started slowly making my cut crease bigger and bigger. You don't want to start big, or you don't want to start off big first, because then you're not gonna have any room. Like, you're gonna keep getting bigger and bigger, and then your cut crease is gonna be like all the way up to your brow. So I would suggest starting off smaller, working your way up. That helps me a lot, because like once you mess up your cut crease, it's like, oh my god, like how am I gonna, it's hard to correct it. So definitely take your time. And I do recommend getting the flattest brush you can find to do this. That's why I like the M224. As you can see, I'm just showing you that the other side was bigger. And then after making sure they're both the same size and everything, size, shape, all that, you want to make sure that your base is really packed on. First of all, you don't want it to be too liquidy, too much product or anything, because you want your shimmers to go on smooth. So I blended out those edges using the deepest shade of red first. You want to make sure you do that because you want it to be nice and faded, a gradient effect. Then I added 3 different color shimmers because, like I said, you want it to be a gradient effect. You don't always have to do this. I'm not saying you do at all. This is just the effect I want, and I like when I put on glitter and shimmers. So this will definitely make your makeup look really professional, like really like you took a lot of time doing your makeup, should I say. So definitely take your time with this. I used flat brushes to apply the shimmer. That shimmer was bomb, I ain't gonna lie. I said, okay, come on, Norvina, come on. I never used this. This was the first time using this palette, so I was like really impressed. Then I just added a little bit of that, more of that red shade into the shimmer, because it just made it look even more pretty. Girl, I said, hold on. I was like, I don't even want to add no glitter or nothing. I was like, this is, ooh, period. Okay, I was like, yeah, this is it. So now I'm using my Anastasia liner, and I made a wing. I didn't make too big of a wing, but I did make quite a dramatic wing, because I just wanted to show the different type of cut creases that you can do. So I'm just drawing on my wing here, and then I use the Sephora liquid liner as well, because I like matte wings. Not all liner is matte. This Anastasia one isn't as matte as I usually like, which is that Sephora liner. Ooh, it's something different, okay? Y'all need to get y'all some, okay? I cleaned up my wings with some concealer from Juvia's Place in the shade 13. And then I proceeded to put on glitter glue. No, this is not glitter glue, baby. This is Duo Lash Glue. I use this for any glitter look. My lashes, I use it for everything, okay? This is the one with the wand attached. It's in the green box usually. I'm just adding a little bit of this on the highest point of the cut crease, so not in the middle. You just want to do the outline first, and I'll tell you why. Because I first started off with fine glitter. This is gonna be a chunky glitter type of eye, but you want to start with a gold or whatever color you choose of fine glitter first, because when you add chunky glitter, that outline, like the chunky glitter kind of like comes out of where the line your line is at, if that makes sense. Like it doesn't look as neat as you want usually. So I'll do the outline of it usually with fine glitter, and then I went in with the chunky glitter towards the wing, like closer towards my lash line, if that makes sense. So it just gives such a cool effect. You'll see at the end when everything is done, like, ooh, it looks so good and really neat as well. So I'm just adding my lashes, and I use the same Duo Lash Glue, and I apply that to my lash line as mascara before and after, because you want your lashes to be nice and black, not too sticky or anything like that. And then I added my BeatsByDeb Cosmetics lashes coming 2020. Y'all get ready, okay? It's on the way. Go follow that Instagram page and turn on those post notifications, okay? Because baby, these lashes is popping. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, what? So yeah, this put the look all together. After I smashed my lashes together, like, you could just see the eye look is just bomb, y'all. Like, I'm shook. Then I proceed to do my face. I'm using the MAC Strobe Cream as primer, pretty much. It gives a really nice glowing effect under my Velvety Matte Foundation by Juvia's Place. So everything will be listed down below. I'm just proceeding to fleek my face, okay? Do all my face makeup. So enjoy. I beat my face, after I sculpt my face, all my cheekbones, all of that, okay? I like to go in with my under eye makeup. I always do under eye makeup, don't matter what look I got, okay? This is needed. So I use my Jumbo White NYX pencil and added some white in the waterline, because with wings, like my eyes start disappearing, y'all. Like, I don't have really big eyes, so the white opens up your eyes. Black liner makes your eyes look smaller. That's just a little technique for you. If you have bigger eyes and you want your eyes to look a little bit smaller, then you should add black. I used white because mine are like disappearing, okay? That's why I never do wings. But yeah, I just added that red underneath and some mascara, nice and simple underneath. I'm just loving this look so much. I added a nice red lip, some blinding highlights, some Fenty mixed with my Juvia's Place, baby. Ooh, no games were played, okay? My Fenty lipstick, okay? It came together, all right? Because look at this. Ooh, I love it so much. I also just did this hair tutorial on my Instagram at BeatsByDeb. If you want to see how I got that little bun up top and all that jazz. Okay, this whole look was just, it was it, okay? As you can see, I was loving it. Here, I'm just adjusting my light so y'all can see 3 different lighting settings with this glitter, okay? Because this glitter was popping from Flutter by Ro on Instagram. Glitters for $1, honey. Okay, so go copy some. This was some low lighting as well. I hope you all enjoyed this look and this tutorial so much. Please let me know if any of these techniques work for you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.